In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy OpenCamp token on Binance. You have to come over here, press more, and navigate to end section over here. Press Launchpad. Here is the token. You have to press this button over here, and it will bring you to this section, OpenCamp preparation period. Type subscription. For you to understand the meaning of subscription, I'm going to press this option over here. For more information, you see number 1 over here, preparation period, BNB balance calculation. 2, subscription period. You have to commit your BNB. And 3, reward calculation, token allocation calculation. 4, result announcement. BNB deduction and distribution of new token. New token are bought using BNB committed by user and view for more details. That's the meaning of subscription on Binance Launchpad. Sales price 1 EDU is 0.05 USD. Ad cap per user 15,000 US dollar. That equivalent to 300,000 EDU coin. Single initial investment. You have to have 0.1 BNB holding for you to be able to buy on this Launchpad. Token offered is 50 million EDU token. That's the amount have been allocated for Binance for them to for this token sales. So you have to navigate down to this subscription timeline, BNB holding calculation period. To participate, your daily average BNB holding across various accounts will be detailed. More details of this calculation can be found here. You have to press this here to find more information about this, and you have to verify, being a verified customer on Binance. You see my own over here, it says verify. And right now, average BNB holding your max committed limit. So right here, I'm going to press this BNB holding details over here. Then right now, I have to come over here tomorrow to see my average holding over here. This is the place you find your average holding every hour, every day, once this starts. And it said over here, only BNB in your spot wallet can be used during the subscription period. Minimum amount is 0.1 BNB. Maximum amount is your available BNB balance. Holding details will be updated at 4:30 each day. Get your BNB ready to participate. Subscription period 2023 April 28, 8 o'clock UTC time. 3, calculating period 2023 April 28, 11 o'clock UTC time. Final token distribution 2023 April 28, 12 o'clock UTC time. And if you want to check the Launchpad history, you can press this button over here. OpenCamp, a Web3 educational protocol to tokenize education content. So here is the information about this project. So you can read more about this project if you want to invest on this token. And let me fast forward to this section over here, the tokenomics of this token. Ad cap 2,500,000 USD. Total token supply is 1 billion of EDU. Initial circulating supply is 40.50% of total token supply. So public sales token price is 0.05 US dollar. Price in BNB will be determined prior to the start of subscription. So over here, token offered is 50 million of EDU token. Ad cap per person is 15,000 USD. pricing will be determined prior to the start of subscription. Token sale harvest period, no lockup. So Binance won't lock your token. After this token have been concluded, they will release your token. Over here, token type is bet20, and token distribution after the end of the token sale. So this is what you need to know about this token for you to be able to buy this. It's a time left until subscription period is 6 days, 13 hours 42 minutes. So that's what you need to know about this on how to buy this token on Binance Launchpad. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video.